Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your Instagram profile URL or link in just a few steps. I will tell you two methods. First, open Instagram on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Here, in the top left corner, you'll see your username. After noting down the username, come back and open the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type https://www.instagram.com, and after that, / followed by your Instagram username. After typing all this, press OK. Now you can see your profile is open. Second, go back to your Instagram profile. Tap on Share Profile and copy the link. Then come back to the Chrome browser and paste the URL there. Remove any extra parts so that only the Instagram link with your username remains. Then press Search. You'll see, your profile is now open. In this way, you can copy your Instagram URL and send it to your friends, family, clients, or anyone you want. And that's it. How to find your Instagram profile URL or link. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.